A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fan. G for girl. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lion. M for mouse. N for noodles. O for owl. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for slide. T for toys. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.